Sunny. Example, it's a sunny day, perfect for a picnic. Rainy. Example, don't forget your umbrella, it's going to be a rainy day. Cloudy. Example, the sky is cloudy, but it hasn't started raining yet. Windy. Example, it's very windy today, the trees are swaying. Stormy. Example, the weather is stormy, with thunder and lightning. Snowy. Example, it's snowy outside, let's build a snowman. Foggy. Example, the road is foggy, drive carefully. Hot. Example, it's so hot today, I need to stay hydrated. Cold. Example, it's very cold outside, make sure to wear your coat. Humid. Example, the weather is humid, making it feel hotter than it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.